Hello, ladies and gents. Welcome. It's fantastic to have you here. Today I have this Tipuana vlog that was sent to me by a very kind person called Eric Khan. He sent this lovely wood that I've never turned before, and there's another one of same size wood, but and a couple of pieces of Indian rosewood, I believe. When I have a project for them, I will show you guys as well. But I just like to say thank you, Eric. I appreciate it. I hope I can make something beautiful out of this piece. Check this grain, guys. The color difference between the grain, I can visualize it when I shape it. It's gonna expose those colors, and I can't wait. I'm going to make a vase out of it, or vase. It's 45mm diameter. I'm just a little bit unsure about if I was unsure about if I should use this piece for this glass, but we might be able to do it. If not, I don't have to have the glass in there, but it'd be nice to have the glass in there and have a live plant in there. Let's get started. I'm gonna have it between center. I've already marked the center and punched it, so it's ready. I just finished hollowing it. The person I'm making this for, she wants to be able to grab it out because it's going to have water in it, so she doesn't want to spill it. Need to be able to grab it and take it out. So that part's done. It took a lot of time hollowing that, because there's no tool rest, to give you stability, and it gets difficult and dangerous as well. But that's a good depth we got right now. So let's see now what shape we want to do. I'm just gonna go by the features of the wood, like I said, and decide as we go. Plus I won't be able to have the tail stuck because the hole is just too big. I'm happy with the shape. I love this effect. That such a lovely wood. Look at that. And I like how uneven this wood is. I hope you guys like this shape, and I hope Eric you like the shape how I've left it natural as well, because it's just, otherwise it would have just wasted the wood really. You turn down to get to that diameter there, and you end up with like a less than a 2-inch diameter. And I hope you guys agree with me that having it like this is the best for this wood. There we go. I've finished sanding. Let's put a Yorkshire grit on. such a lovely grain. I don't think the video does any justice to how beautiful this wood is. There we have it, guys. I just finished buffing it. This is such a lovely wood. Check the ripples out here. There's a ripples right by where the branch was. I don't know if it's focusing. There we go. Eric, I hope you're happy with what I've done. It's such a lovely wood. Thank you very much. I appreciate it, and I hope you guys liked what I've turned out of it. Thank you everyone for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and share and subscribe if you haven't done already. I will be doing more projects. I try to upload every week, at least once if I'm very busy, but more if I'm not. This wood is Tipuana Tipu. It's a South African wood, and I think from what I've heard, they restrict planting this tree, sadly, because they consider it as a threat to agricultural resources. So, and the roots of it, they say it's aggressive. So it's a shame, such a lovely wood. If it was me, I'd plant it everywhere. But anyway, thanks for watching. Take care, everyone.